Welcome to EnverWorld. We're going to show you step by step how to use and connect your crypto wallet with EnverWorld. However, this video does not include how to create a wallet. So please check out our previous tutorial to learn more about that part if you haven't yet. Now let's start. First, head to enverworld.com and click the Connect button. A menu of wallet options will pop up. For this video, we're going to use MetaMask. Select MetaMask. Click Download Now. Install MetaMask for Chrome. Add the browser extension. Next, click Import Wallet. Insert your 12-word seed phrase and password. Finally, you're ready to connect your wallet with EnverWorld. Refresh the EnverWorld page, click Connect again, and then select MetaMask. A pop-up will appear. Choose your MetaMask account and connect your wallet with EnverWorld. Click Confirm. Click MetaMask again, then on Sign. An EnverWorld key will be generated for you. Wait, make sure to save this key somewhere safe, just like your wallet key. If you lose it, it cannot be recovered. Copy, paste, click Next. If the security verification passes, you are successfully logged in. Congrats! Now, enjoy even faster transactions and affordable gas fees on EnverWorld. At EnverWorld, anyone can become an artist.